Hello everyone, I am Ayman Sheikh and welcome to our channel Must Watch Tip. Today in this video, we will see how to apply pivot tables on our data. So here we have a data set as name of the students and favorite color. I want the output like how many students like blue, how many students like black color, how many students like white color. So this kind of table I want. So we can create this table as manually on also, but it will be very time consuming. Right now here we have a small data set. What if we have a big data set then? So for that thing, we will be using pivot table. So to insert the pivot table, first we will go on insert option, then pivot table. Now just by clicking on pivot table, you can see that the range of our data is selected. If you feel that some of your data parts are missing or not selected, so you can manually select your data range by clicking on the data set. Now you have the two options that where you want your pivot table to be placed. So if you will select the new workbook, so right now here is the sheet 1. So if you will press new workbook, sheet 2 will also be created where you can only see the pivot table. But now I just want in existing workbook. So in existing workbook, the location which it is selected is C4, but I want to change it to E3. So I have changed it to E3 and I will press OK. So you can see that pivot table is now here. Now I have this fields where it is name and favorite color, and I need to drag this field, and where I want to put, I can put it in filter column value rows as per my requirement. So now I want the filter favorite color in row. So I have kept favorite color in row, and now I will put name in values so that it can count me that how many students like black, how many students like blue, like that way. So this was the required table we wanted. So to create this table, it just took 1 minute, or I think so less than 1 minute. And if you would have done this manually, it would have taken your 10 to 15 minutes. If the data set is small, if the data set was huge, then it would have taken hours to complete the counting. And still, if you would be doing this task manually, then there might be some chances that you have miscounted some number. Or in this pivot table, there is no chance of getting any student missed from the data set. So that's all for this video. In next video series, we will learn more about pivot table. So see you in next video. Thank you.